In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal account. So first things first, here we are on my iPhone, and I'm going to open up the PayPal app. Once you've opened the app and logged in, you should see the normal interface here. The first thing that you have to do is to add a bank account to your PayPal account. So once you're logged in, you're going to see this interface here, and there should be under the account section there an option that says Add Banks and Cards. If you don't see that, just hit the three lines there. It'll open up the menu, and then you want to go down to where you see Add Banks and Cards. Tap into Add Banks and Cards, then go to Banks. Once here, you should see the option to find your bank. So find the bank of choice here. So whatever bank you have, select that bank, and you'll need to provide your routing number and your account number. So these are all numbers that should be on your checks, or the easier way of finding them is going to your online banking system, going to details, and finding those numbers there. Once you've inserted all the information and have been approved and gone through a verification, your bank will be added to your PayPal account. Once here, you're going to see an option that says Add Money or Add Money from Bank or Card, and then you just want to go ahead and tap that button there. It's then going to ask you how much money do you want to add, so you go ahead and type in an amount here, and then go ahead and tap Next. It's then going to ask you to choose the bank account if you have multiple of them linked to your PayPal account. So we're going to choose our main account here, or go to Change if it's a different account, and then go to Add whatever that amount is now and push that button there at the very bottom. That's going to then process with no fees, and it'll say your $5 or however much money you're sending is on the way. So that's how you do it. Make sure your bank account is added to your PayPal account. Go ahead and add it. Once you do, go ahead and go to your balance, and you're good to go. There will be a FAQ section pinned in the comment section below for those questions, and I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. See you next time.